Gutter paint peeling or fading is super annoying, but fixing it doesn't have to be a headache if you know what to do. So, first off, grab a scraper or a wire brush and get all that old flaky paint off your gutters. You gotta make sure the surface is smooth before you put on anything new. Next, clean the gutters really well with some soap and water to get rid of dirt and grime. This helps the new paint stick better. After that, let everything dry completely, because painting over damp gutters just messes it up. Use an exterior grade paint that's made for metal or vinyl gutters, depending on what yours are made from. This stuff holds up way better against sun and rain. When you paint, do thin, even coats instead of one thick one, so it dries nicely without drips. Also, try to paint on a dry day when it's not too hot or windy. That helps the paint last longer and look better. If you want to be extra safe, slap on a primer before the paint, especially if the gutters are bare metal or if you see rust starting. Keep your tools handy and don't rush. A chill approach will give you way better results. One of the biggest mistakes people make with gutter paint peeling or fading is skipping the scraping part. If you don't get rid of all that old paint and rust, the new paint won't stick and will peel off super fast. Another common problem is using regular indoor paint instead of exterior grade paint. Indoor paint just can't handle the weather and fades or cracks quick. The third issue is painting when the gutters are wet or when it's too hot outside. Moisture or extreme heat messes with drying and causes bubbles or peeling. To fix these, always scrape thoroughly, pick the right outdoor paint, and wait for perfect dry weather before painting. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home repairs, like gutters. Plus, contractors get more work by connecting with people who need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone.